Hello, students. Welcome to this new module on conversation skills presented by Dr. Prabha Patil, Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. Friends, one of the biggest challenges to current language teaching methodology is to find effective ways of preparing students for spontaneous communication. Many people believe that informal everyday conversation is random and conversational unstructured. This is in fact far from true. Although conversation may take many forms and the speakers and situations vary widely, all conversation follows certain patterns. Conversation is not a matter of giving and receiving information, but a form of social interaction too. Content, objectives, introduction, what is conversation, why conversation, principles of conversation, a good conversation, be a good conversationalist, conclusions and references. Objectives, developing students' ability to talk easily and fluently, enhancing students' skills to respond and take turns as speaker and listener, developing students' ability to use conversation in different contexts and for different purposes. Introduction, conversation is more than just talk. Students need to be able to make social contact with other people, respond to them, and take turns as speaker and listener, follow and keep to a topic or change it appropriately, help others understand what they mean, start and end a conversation appropriately. Students also need to be able to use conversation in different contexts and for different purposes. Conversation is the spoken exchange of ideas, observations, opinions, or feelings between people. It is usually more spontaneous and less formal, primarily used to build rapport. However, conversations can take place in a more formal context and can have a variety of purposes, including persuading, demonstrating expertise, or negotiating a business deal. It gives you the opportunity to meet interesting new people and introduces you to various new topics and subject matter. Possessing the art of conversation improves personal, social, and workplace relationships. What is conversation? Conversation is how we build rapport, plan our lives, and organize our work, establish relationships. Conversation is how we create understanding and understand feelings and actions, how we influence others and are influenced by others. Conversation is how we solve problems and cooperate with each other. Why conversation? Conversation is essential for many purposes, for personal and organizational acceptance, for self introduction, to exchange thoughts, ideas, and feelings. It is necessary for asking information, making requests, and seeking permission. Conversation is necessary for expressing agreements and disagreements. Principles of conversation. maximum of quality, maximum of quantity, maximum of relation, maximum of manner. Let us see maximum of quality. Be prepared. Focus on the topic, activate background knowledge, and make connections. Prepare for conversations about shared reading by generating questions, making notes, and marking passages. Participate and contribute to the conversation. Conversation succeeds best when there is equal participation, dedication, interest, and tolerance. It involves creating new angles of thought, new ideas, solutions, and suggestions. It involves creating an atmosphere of appreciation and encouragement. Do not say what we believe to be false. Do not say what for which you lack adequate evidence. For example, if a friend asks, "Have you seen my purse?" an honest answer is expected. Maximum quantity. A good conversation is like a ping pong game. To make it interesting, both players have to play. Make your contribution as informative as required. Do not make your contribution more informative than required. If people don't say something, then we assume that they don't know that information. Maximum of manner. Monitor contributions to the conversation in terms of how often and how much. Listen without interrupting. Use wait time. Pay attention to volume and tone of your voice. Avoid obscurity of expression. Avoid ambiguity. Be brief but be orderly. A good conversation. In a good conversation, body language and verbal communication both are interconnected and interdependent at the time of face to face conversation. Conversationalists should know about any topic, maybe related with culture, sports, politics, entertainment, and so on. Conversationalist should be a good observer. Never underestimate yourself. The way to be a good conversationalist is by practicing talking and listening. But keep in mind, gossip is not a good thing to talk about. Be a good conversationalist. There are some aspects necessary for good conversationalist. Listen to views and share space amicably. Be clear and concise. Be well mannered and focus on quality than quantity. Shift back and forth. Deliver complete and correct message. Follow discipline and order in thought. Control voice intonation, that is modulation. Command over language is very important to impress the others. Have interest, alertness, confidence, and openness in your speech. But be yourself. Conclusions. In business or career, good conversation skills can help you land a new client or lay the groundwork for future promotions. If you want to succeed in social settings, relationships, and business, one way to ensure your success is to be a great listener and to master conversation skills. The art of conversation is a skill shared by most successful people. Good conversation promotes an image of self confidence, intelligence, and wittiness. Thank you.